SpaceX IPO Value. Have you looked at the upcoming SpaceX IPO valuation of $1.75 trillion and felt like it is completely out of reach for regular people like us? You see, mainstream Wall Street analysts are panicking over giant numbers like a 115 times revenue multiple and a $4.9 billion net loss. But you and I know the truth. They are trying to price a next-generation orbital powerhouse like an old-fashioned railroad company. Starlink alone brought in over $3.25 billion in revenue in just the first quarter of 2026, with over $1 billion of that being pure operating profit. This tells us it is not just a rocket company, it is a hyper-profitable global telecom monopoly with zero physical scale competitors on Earth. By doing this, SpaceX completely bypasses the terrestrial energy grid bottlenecks and cooling constraints that are currently crushing tech giants on the ground. We are looking at a deeply undervalued multi-industry conglomerate that we can buy at a major discount. We are getting a global defense contractor, a telecom giant, a launch monopoly, and an orbital cloud infrastructure business, all bundled under one ticker symbol. We do not want you to let mainstream finance fool you into missing the biggest structural macroeconomic shift of our generation. But this orbital internet layer is just phase one of what you and I are going to track on this channel. In our next video, you and I are going to dive deep into the secret partnership between SpaceX and Google to turn next-generation Starlink satellites into actual floating orbital data centers. We will break down how their space lasers are moving 42 petabytes of data every single day without touching a single ground station. And we will look at the newly announced network designed to bring gigabit laser communications directly to the surface of the moon. Stick with me on this journey. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to Market Cycles Investments. Stay informed. See you tomorrow. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal.